measuring tape. I'm gonna need a cheater on that. Wow, that's tight as shit.
Whew, careful, it's still hot because I warmed it up. Pipe's hot as shit. Not seeing metal shavings yet. Oh, there goes one. I just seen one. I'm gonna stand the bike upright just so I get everything out. Smaller size. Oh, that thing's on there. You see I pretty much destroyed that filter squeezing on it, but it's loose now. Okay, got a little more oil coming out of there. Let that drain out, not trying to make a mess. Alright, so it's all drained out. Our next step is going to be we're going to have to apply a thin coat of oil to the filter gasket. I don't know if you can see it. That's the oil ring they're talking about in the manual. Looks like it's one piece, but it's really two. It's the drain plug and then the little gasket. Oh, too much. Alright, everything's nice and coated with fresh oil. Put this filter back on. Alright. 11/16, for what I was wondering. I like to do it tight, actually. I do not want this fucker leaking. Using my calibrated hand to get this 11 foot-pounds, if you're wondering. Because somewhere I am qualified as a mechanic. Not sure if it qualifies me as a motorcycle mechanic, but alright, let's torque up. It was probably like 100. Alright, 31. I like it. Alright, now we're gonna go to the other side and fill this bad boy up. Alright, now we're gonna start the filling process. Everything's tightened up. Alright, that's the filler plug. The funnel. Make sure there's no foreign material in here before I stick it in there. It's a brand new funnel, it's clean. Shine a light in there. Alright, we're looking good. Filter and oil change should be 2.85 liters. Alright, so we got a gallon jug here, so I'm going to put about half of this in. So we got about one in there so far. A little more. I'm gonna check the level, start the bike up. And then, if it's not enough, there's a little sight glass right here. You have to stand the bike straight up where it would be if you were riding and check the level there. If it's low, not even in the sight glass, I'll add more. If it's too high, I'm gonna have to drain some. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to put in your filler cap. Alright, thanks for watching.